Grinding and brewing your own fresh coffee is easy with your PowerXL Grind and Go. Let's get started. Unpack the parts from the box. Wipe down the main unit housing with a warm, moist cloth. Wash the other parts and accessories in warm, soapy water or in the top rack of your dishwasher. And flush out your system before the first use to eliminate any dust that could have gotten into your appliance during shipping. Reassemble your unit. Open the water reservoir lid and pour in water. Use the water level indicator to select the number of cups you are going to brew, or simply fill your favorite coffee cup with water and pour into the water reservoir. Insert the filter basket in the carafe and add coffee beans using the scoop. For one 8-ounce cup of coffee, use 1 scoop or add 2 scoops for a 16-ounce cup. You can also add more beans or less beans depending on the strength of the coffee you like. Never use more than 4 scoops of whole beans. And don't overfill the carafe because that could jam the grinder. Now attach the grinder blade to the top of the carafe. Slide the carafe into the appliance and twist so that the handle aligns with the lock symbol. The carafe will click into place. Make sure to put the tumbler or your coffee cup underneath the carafe to catch the coffee. If you have a shorter cup, simply pull out the cup holder and place the cup on it. Plug the unit into a wall outlet. Press the power button on the control panel. The power button will illuminate. Press the grind and brew button. With the icon shown, the grind and brew button will illuminate and the coffee beans will be ground. The grinder goes through 3 cycles where it grinds and stops. This is for optimal grinding of your beans. The grinder automatically stops when the beans are fully ground and will begin to brew your coffee. When the appliance is done brewing coffee, 3 beeps will sound and the unit will power off. Your coffee is done. For more information, helpful videos, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please go to PowerXLGrindandGoInfo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.